Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we're going to show you how to easily delete apps on your Roku device. It's a simple process that will help you declutter your home screen and improve your streaming experience. Navigate to the app. First, use your Roku remote to navigate to the app you want to delete. Highlight the app icon on your home screen. Press the star button. Next, press the star button on your Roku remote. This will bring up a menu of options. Select Remove Channel. From the options that appear, select Remove Channel. You may need to confirm your choice by pressing OK again. Confirmation. Once you confirm, the app will be removed from your Roku device. Additional tips. Organizing apps. You can also organize your apps by moving them around on the home screen. Simply highlight an app and press the star button to access the Move option. Managing storage. Deleting unused apps can help free up storage space on your Roku device, especially if you have a limited storage model. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Deleting apps on your Roku is a simple process. Just remember to navigate to the app, press the star button, and select Remove Channel.